Welcome to the University of Manchester, where world-class education meets cutting-edge research. Let's dive into our top-ranked courses according to the QS World University Rankings. First up, Computer Science and Information Systems, ranked among the top 50 globally. Here, you can explore the future of technology in areas like artificial intelligence, data science, and cybersecurity. Next, Engineering and Technology, also in the top 50 worldwide. Specialize in chemical, mechanical, electrical, or civil engineering, and create innovative solutions for real-world challenges. Moving on to Business and Management Studies, ranked in the top 40 globally. At Alliance Manchester Business School, develop your leadership and strategic thinking skills. Then Medicine, also in the top 40. Train at one of the UK's largest medical schools with a strong focus on clinical practice and cutting-edge medical research. Finally, Physics and Astronomy, ranked in the top 30 worldwide. Uncover the mysteries of the universe with leading researchers in fields like particle physics and cosmology. Are you ready to take the next step in your academic journey? Apply today at the University of Manchester and be part of a global leader in education and research. Your future starts here.